video, I'm going to be answering questions like, why are you not getting traffic? At this point, I'm not too sure what installment we are in these episodes, but I'm enjoying making these Q&As. So if you want to see them keep going, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks onto how you can improve your print on demand shops. If you're new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any new videos. We've helped a lot of people to make their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And if you want any extra information, I do actually have a print on demand starter guide that's linked down in the description. And for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below as well. As for today, we've got a Redbubble Q&A. You guys ask the questions and I'm here to answer them. And if you do have any future questions you want to ask, don't hesitate to put them down in the comment section and I'll try to get through as many of them as possible. Question 1 is coming in from Sherry saying, I have over 200 designs and no sales except from 2 of the same sticker, which was about a month or 2 ago from 2 different people. I've listed things that are trends of the week and other low competition niches. I don't know what to do. Thank you for actually sharing, Sherry. And in regards of what I feel like you should do, I feel like you should look at the 2 designs that sold, ask yourself why you think they sold, and see if you can create other alternatives or other versions of those 2 designs that have already sold. I'm not too sure if you're using Google Analytics, so make sure to use that to keep track of which of your designs are actually bringing you the most traffic. That way, when you're actually going forward, creating more and more designs for your shop, you know that you're working smart, not just working hard, creating things you're not too sure on, if that makes sense. Google Analytics is your friend. Next, we have Tish. Good to see you in the comments, Tish. Always very active on the channel, saying, help, I tried the bulk fill to include the hat, but it's only loading 48 out of 142 designs and 7 are still buffering after 4 days. So she's pretty much saying here, she tried the bulk upload option where you can actually turn on a product on all of your designs, and for whatever reason, it didn't actually work on all of her products. Now, Tish, I feel like this may just be a bit of a glitch on your account. So the best way to go about it is to kind of, on the designs that are buffering, tick them off. So when you select everything, you can actually go into those particular designs and tick them off and try to reactivate the hat on everything. Even if it's activated on something already, try to reactivate it anyway. And I feel like this will kind of counter the glitch, because this is something a few people have been talking about. And yeah, you just need to kind of try it again, and then usually it fixes itself. Try that out. Let me know how it works. And if it doesn't work, we'll see if there's any other solutions moving forward. Next, we have Melancholy Jam saying, started my account in August 2021 after watching your content. Very grateful to hear that. And also saying, I'm up to 110 designs now with 18 favorites, and 50% of my designs are back to school stuff and the rest are a mixture of evergreen and upcoming holidays. Still no sales yet. Any suggestions? Best suggestion I could give you is to jump on trends. I mean, if you have 0 sales, trends are going to take you from 0 to at least 1 very quickly. The top 10 trends of the week videos I make usually give some good trends that you guys can actually follow along and potentially get sales with. A lot of people that follow the trends in those videos are also starting to get sales, and if they can do it, so can you. So make sure that you're staying on top of trends at least till you start to get some sales coming in. Next, we have Red Rum saying, hi Phil, can I like all my designs to make my account look more solid, or will I be banned for this? I have 145 designs and 32 favorites. I already replied to Red Drum, but in case you guys are watching and you have similar questions in mind, just to answer this, I just want to say, do not like your own designs. It's not through the fact that you get banned, but it's just through the fact that it will kind of blur your vision of what people actually like on your store. Every little bit of information you can get through your traffic stats or your favorite stats is very important to kind of give you an idea of what people are liking that you can potentially make more of. So don't kind of blur your vision in regards of that information by liking your own designs, because at the end of the day, even if you don't get banned, you just end up hurting yourself. Next, we have Inez saying, What sells better, graphic designs or text designs? Now, this is subjective. Some people perform better with graphic design, some people perform better with text-based designs. I would always say to lead with text-based designs because they save you on time, and if a design doesn't particularly do well, you're already moving on to another design that can potentially do well. Whereas with graphic designs, you put in a lot of time and a design might not do well, and then you've just lost a lot of time, if you know what I mean. So like I said, it's very subjective, but from my opinion, I feel text-based designs will get you further faster. Next, we've got Rohi saying, I'm getting traffic on my Redbubble shop, but I can't get sales. And when I ask some artists for the review, they love my designs. What should I do now? As I've actually got my first sale, but I've not got a sale for 4 months. I think that's what he's trying to say at the end there. So, I mean, the most important thing you've said there is the fact that you are getting traffic. That traffic is your best friend. You want to study that traffic like there's no tomorrow. You want to see which designs are getting the most views, and you want to make more of those designs. What's probably happening is that the designs you have may look fairly good, but whatever colors you may be using, people may not potentially like those colors. So maybe if you make those same designs using different colors or different styles, those same people that are clicking will then potentially start to buy. So like I said, the traffic is your friend. Study it, use it, learn from it, and the sales will come. Next up, we have two people. So we've got Raquia and we've got Philip with a very similar question. Raquia saying, why do I have zero traffic in my shop? Philip is saying, I have got Google Analytics installed, but I can't understand why I have no page views, but I'm getting a lot of design favorites. How can they favorite my design without entering my page? This is very confusing pretty much. Starting off with Raquia, you might not have a lot of traffic on your shop, mainly because you may not have a lot of designs, or you may not be creating designs that people are looking for. The best way to create designs that people are looking for is to focus on trending designs, and your traffic from that should then start to go up. As for Philip, I mean, I think I replied to him already. This could be one of two things. You may have only just set up your Google Analytics account, so stats may not be showing up, or you may have done it incorrectly. So you might not have put your code in correctly onto your page, therefore the stats may not be showing up. So what I want you to do is to just go into your page on another extension, maybe open a Google Incognito mode, go on your shop, and then go into your analytics and see if it's showing that there's one user on your shop. If it's showing that there's one user on your shop, that means your shop is good to go. But if you're still seeing zero, it means something has not been set up right, and you might need to look into your settings. And then here we've got Christina saying, what do you mean by most clicks and page views? How many clicks should a page have in order to be worth it making design variations? Now, I actually messaged or replied back to Christina, but I feel like a lot of people might also have a similar question to this. So to answer it, what I mean by page views and clicks, pretty much you want to see which of your design is outperforming the other designs in regards of page views. If you have one design that has 10 page views and another one that has 5 page views, you want to make design variations for the one that has 10 views. If you have a lot of designs that have 1 or 2 page views, then you have one at the top with 3 page views, you want to make more variation for the one with 3 page views. So I hope that makes sense. And the main reason I suggest for you guys to do that is because this is the best way to take advantage of the traffic information you're getting. And at the end of the day, information is your best friend if you're looking to get those sales in. Spoke a lot about Google Analytics in this video. So if you want to watch a video solely on that, make sure to check out this video here. I actually talk you through how you can set it up. Down in the comment section, comment down hashtag Q&A. Even if you don't have any question to ask. And always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.